Oh, hello, all of custodial, my coworker. Some of you, I heard John email me. Some of you guys like is have hard time to filling out with this remote work to turn in every 1 week, let's say Friday or weekend. We supposed to email them back to HR or Mark, whatever. Our first of all, one John send you this form. Just click download. One After one you guys download it, go to so folder. I download and yeah, this is remotely work, and you just right click and you guys have to press with open with Abibo PDF reader. If you guys have school, if you guys bought school computer, I think school computer have ready. You guys just press this one and it's going. Oh no, this is wrong file. Sorry about that. Here is the regular file. Open with Abibo reader, and the file will be pop up like that, and you can like fill your first name, last name. For now, my name is you can already say last name first and first name, and this is I think your employee ID. You guys have to fill here and put the day. You guys can try like last week. Start with the 18. You guys have to try 19, 2020, and it will be Thursday. And you guys have to put whatever like you watching the video from like the links from uh from uh, from the link like John even sent us like the link, the new link to like this link or the other link, whatever. You can watch the video, the link. My internet is kind of slow. Like this link, for example, like you go we start with, if you can tell my last week, you can watch. Yeah, you guys have to like it's you have to watch like one day like 8 hour like the training. You guys have to write like all of the title of the training with like Washington EP training, EP of operation into the boardroom like last week you do, and this week all of that the training you have to mention on like one day 8 hour you do in the title like in description work performance, and you guys can put the hour military time, or let's say if you guys start the video by 7 p.m. and it's, oh sorry about that, 11 p.m. and you got them by 8 p.m. and this will be 8 hour, but 30 minutes is including break time already. You and Thursday, this is THH, this means Thursday, and you can put like the other day again, and this one for like the next Friday. What you guys do, you have to write mention that one, and this month after that you are going to automatically edit. You guys do like that, and after that, how you guys save it, there's two options to save. Like you can go file, save as, and in my computer here, like I want to save is better is my like document, or if you guys want to find it really easy, you guys can click my desktop, and here is don't forget to change your kind, his name. Put your name, for example, my same remotely work, and you guys like save it, and it's that's how every day when you guys feel this thing if you guys feel this thing like after 8 hours you done, you just press this one, and is you guys can just let's say that's how you guys have to feel by hour and save it. Thank you. And what will happen is, and what will how you guys can send back is, you guys can email back to Mark or Melissa or HR, click new mail, and type like, if Mark his name, you guys try Mark email, or John, Melissa, and S, I think Shelly is SLY, or the HR. You guys, and after that you guys click here this task file, browse this computer, go to like you guys whatever you guys save in the file. This file you can already you like I save in this top. I click this top, and here is the file. No, oh sorry about here is the here is the file I save, and you just say open, and you guys have to write this. Just say, hey, this is from Sam, my remote work login. You guys type in the one subject and send it to them. That's it. But if you guys don't have if you guys don't have no if you guys